Hello and welcome to this kickoff video about the new tutorial series that I will put out, which is about converting a design into SwiftUI code. And for the first design, I have chosen a design with for a calendar style thing from Xcode design, and we will code this screen right here. And I'll just quickly show you how the end result will look and feel right here. And as you can see, there are very smooth animations, and it's really cool because you can do that pretty simple in SwiftUI. And yeah, I hope of course that you will enjoy this series and hope to see you in the first programming video next time.